In this video tutorial, we are going to see how to download Landsat 8 imagery from Earth Explorer. So open your browser, in the search bar, type in Earth Explorer. So you can see the first link, earthexplorer.usgs.gov. So I'll be sharing the link in the description. Please do check it out. Now click on this link, and this is the home page. In order to download any satellite imagery, we need to log in. So click on login. So input our username and password, and if you don't have an account, you can click on this option, create new account. Within 2 minutes you can create an account. So after inputting the username and password, sign in. So the next step is defining area of interest, that is for which we are interested for downloading the image, that we have to specify. So you can see here, for that option is available, US features and world feature. If your area of interest falls within US, you can use US features, otherwise you can use world features. Here you can type in the area of interest, the region which you are looking. For example, here my area of interest is Visakhapatnam. Hit the button show. So now you can see here Visakhapatnam result is being come up. So click on over here, automatically it will be navigating to the location. Otherwise, if your result is not coming up, you can directly navigate within the base map, and you can zoom into your area of interest like this. You just need to use the scroll button for zoom in and zoom out, and left click for panning between the area. Okay, now we have chosen Visakhapatnam. You can customize it. For example, if you are looking for a particular region, for example, I am looking at this extent. Okay, so yeah, let me remove this. So you can draw polygon by using mouse left click. You can place like this. Like this you can draw polygon. You can drag it. You can extend the area also. Like this you can do. Otherwise a single location is also enough. If you are covering for a larger area, you can put on like this. So now the next option will be datasets, and important thing is datasets. Click on datasets, and here we are going to download a Landsat 8 imagery. So click on Landsat 8, and you can find Landsat collection 2 level 1, and within that you can find Landsat 8, 9, overlay TRS imagery. So click here and select additional criterias. You can also define how much cloud cover should the imagery have. For example, you can go to the search criteria once again. So this is the search criteria. Come down, you can see that the cloud cover is present. Choose cloud cover. You can reduce the cloud cover. For example, I should have a cloud cover less than that is 0 to 4%. Cloud cover is okay for me. You can choose accordingly. You can increase it or decrease it based on the image availability and your requirement. So now you can also choose the date range. For example, if you are looking for a particular year, you can put on the month, date and year from which to which. You can also choose based on months like this. After choosing, you can directly move on to the additional criterias, and after that you can see that there is satellite option is there. Click on this satellite, and you can see all. You can customize it. For example, if you are just looking for 8 imagery, you can choose 8, or you can leave it to all also. Okay, now click on the option results. Here our imagery, available imagery for your area of interest will be shown up over here. So these are the results. You can see based on the dates, it will be aligned from top to bottom. So 2024, yeah. In order to view this image, you can use this option, show browse overlay. You can view the view of the image. You can click on this option so that the metadata about the information about this image will be given. You can see how the image looks like. You can find the information when this image was acquired and what is the cloud coverage. You can see scene cloud coverage is 1.51 and land cloud cover is 0.01. You can close it. Like this you can browse for the other images also. You can go from to the next page, and you can also find a lot of images. You can browse those images. If you click, it will be updated over here. You can see this image is falling out of this region, so this is not what we are looking for. So like this, you can go up to the last, and you can find the older images also. Till 2013 the images will be available. So let me go to the first option and download this image which we had a look. This image. In order to download this image, you can see the option over here, download options. Click on download. So for example, if you are looking for a particular bands, you can click on product option. You can see here, and at the last you can find B1, B2, B3, B4, B5. These are nothing but bands in the Landsat 8 imagery. You can download each band directly. For example, if you might be interested in only 4 bands, you can download those 4 bands alone. If you click here download, it will be automatically starting to download those image, as you can see here. Like this also you can download the individual bands. For downloading all bands together, you can use this option. Click on download. You can see here new tab has been opening up and the download will be started shortly. As you can see here, the download has been started. Within 5 to 6 minutes the download will be completed based on your internet speed. So if you have any other doubts in this, please do ask in the comment section. Please do subscribe and support us. Bye. So the image has been successfully downloaded. You can see here. Let us view it in the tab. So you can see the image we have downloaded. So if we extract those images, every bands will be available. So once again, thanks for watching.